Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम रीना
my name is Amir,
and welcome to our channel.
live with Russian Bhai. तो फ्रेंड्स फाइनली हम आ चुके हैं दिल्ली के बहुत ही फेमस शॉपिंग मार्केट एरिया विच इज़ कॉल्ड लाजपत नगर मार्केट.
Or Central Market of Delhi. Friends, to be honest, this is one of my favorite markets which is nearby and which you can reach any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, any week and any month, so you can enjoy shopping here because this market is for everyone. You can find here anything starting from clothing, finishing with filling your tummy.
या एंड नॉट ओनली क्लोथिंग, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गैजेट्स भी काफ़ी सारी शॉप्स हैं, सो आप यहाँ
Yeah.
पे खरीद सकते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा मार्केट है. खाने की चीज़ें भी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी अवेलेबल हैं यहाँ पे.
You can reach here also by different means of transport. Like you can come here by taxi, by auto. You can come here by metro. There is a metro station which is called Lajpat Nagar itself, and it is like accessible for everyone. You can come by any transport, even buy your food if you like to walk.
या एंड स्पेशली म्यूज़िक लवर्स के लिए भी यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट शॉप्स हैं, सो यू कैन बाय एनी म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्रॉम हियर.
Yeah, and repair. Like we forgot to carry ours. You know, our guitar broke. To be honest, string broke.
या आई नीड टू रिपेयर माय गिटार.
Yeah. So, okay, let's walk and we will see how did it change, what it changed, because on the way right now we checked that they're constructing here multi-level parking. Can you believe it? That is like India is developing so great, and I'm really happy that you can find here parking which is fully automized. That's really nice.
So let's check how Lajpat Nagar market after lockdown.
Yeah, let's check.
सो लाजपत नगर मार्केट में एक नया चेंज हुआ है. यहाँ पे ये मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग बना रहे हैं. जैसे आपने टोक्यो ड्रिफ्ट मूवी में भी देखा होगा कि गाड़ी ऑटोमेटिक पार्क हो जाती है, आप नीचे ला के गाड़ी पार्क करिए.
See, it's like in Sarojini they already have this multi-level parking.
और काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग. अभी कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं हुई है फुली.
Very nice. So, and we have to cross the road.
ये यहाँ पे मार्केट एरिया है, लाजपत नगर मार्केट.
It's bad that you cannot cross the road, that there is no pedestrian crossing here or something. Otherwise, okay, let's move ahead. Friends, see here there are different electronic shops available. It's just at the starting of Lajpat Nagar if you're coming from the side of New Friends Colony.
और आजकल 26 जनवरी आने वाला है, सो यहाँ पे 26 जनवरी की सेल लगी हुई है. 50% ऑफ ऑन विजय सेल्स.
Oh, smells of some tasty food. I already feel the smell. They're frying here always something.
तो यहाँ पे मैं जब भी आता हूँ हमेशा कचौड़ी और चाट ज़रूर खाता हूँ. सो
Oh, this is they're frying the sweet potatoes, huh? Yeah. Yes, it's sweet potatoes. Oh, potatoes. I love potatoes, but not sweet potatoes.
और देखें यहाँ लाजपत नगर में आपको पाइनएप्पल मिलेंगे कटे हुए. आई थिंक 100 रुपये बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन यू कैन फाइंड इन चीपर प्राइसेस.
Наверное, off season probably, right?
Yes.
Oh, these are how will say?
Pakode.
Pakoras. Nice. Friends, today is so crowded. It's Monday, but see how crowded it is today. Why so?
और यहाँ पे भुट्टे और शकरकंदी बिक रही है, रोस्टेड.
Let's ask what is it. I
Irina,
love
do you like
sweet
bhutta?
corn. Sweet corn, I love so much.
You
To
like
be
sweet
honest,
corn?
Yes, American sweet corn. It is so tasty, and when it's fried, roasted on fire, it's oh wow.
तो इरीना को स्वीट कॉर्न बहुत पसंद है. सो डू यू वांट टू बाय?
I think that after I will complete my another mission of today, then I will buy for sure and I will eat it. Oh wow, I'm really happy about it.
Okay, so let's see. First we'll finish our one mission.
And what is our mission? Tell me please.
We will see. We will try some tasty things.
Which?
I think which you like, momos.
Oh, I love momos.
सो यहाँ पे बहुत ही फेमस एक मोमोज़ की शॉप है, एंड आप जानते हैं रीना को मोमोज़ बहुत पसंद है. सो यहाँ डोलमा आंटी के मोमोज़ बहुत फेमस हैं. और
Everyone is telling about those momos, that they're so good, they're so tasty. So I'm also craving for those momos. I want to try it so much.
या एंड शॉप बोला जाए तो 1994 से यह रन कर रही है. नॉट ओनली लाजपत नगर, अलग अलग मार्केट में, दिल्ली में कमला नगर मार्केट में भी काफ़ी फेमस है. सो वी विल ट्राई इन लाजपत नगर मार्केट डोलमा आंटी मोमोज़.
So let's run to that shop because I already want to try it so much. Let's go
You're
there
so
first.
excited, right?
Yeah, I'm very excited for momos.
सो लेट्स गो टू द शॉप. सो हम अभी लाजपत नगर सेंट्रल मार्केट में हैं, जहाँ पे हमारे लेफ्ट साइड में 3Cs अगर आपको बिल्डिंग दिख रही होगी तो 3Cs लाइक अ मिनी मॉल, जहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स भी हैं और थिएटर भी है.
But friends, check, they have now put ads also in a proper order. They have made the colorful boards. This looks so nice.
लाजपत नगर काफ़ी चेंज हो गया है पहले
It's
से.
changing very much. Oh, pillows, pillows, takia, takia.
You want तकिया?
No, not like that. But otherwise, see, they're selling everything here,
See?
right?
जैसे कि बताया था कि आपको हर टाइप की चीज़ें यहाँ अवेलेबल है,
Yes.
महंगी भी और सस्ती भी.
See?
You like it? So cute.
Yeah, but it is not that soft.
या तकिया आई थिंक इज बेटर आप शॉप से ही बाय करिए जिसमें डस्ट और बैक्टीरियाज कम हो.
Friends sweaters, 200 rupees. Doso, doso, doso. Oh, посмотрите, какой свитерок.
So Irina,
I'm a bunny.
I think you'll be a better salesman, huh? You will say 200, 200, 200,
Yeah, I
200.
will say doso. 300, भैया.
300? Oh, looks
Lovely
nice.
Sweater.
Looking nice.
Oh, looking so lovely. See? Friends, you can find here anything. And it feels like it contains real wool because this looks like rabbit wool or what, I do not know. But it feels like it contains real wool. There are no tags, by the way. I believe they are all cut. No tags. No tags. So, really lovely sweater. I want to buy it, but okay, I will control myself. इतना गरम? ये गरम है? Lovely sweater. Friends, never let me go to the markets, even if I do not have, let's say, wish to buy anything, or I was not planning to buy anything. Even if I am buying clothes from different shops, but whenever I come to the market, it's like I do not know, some beast is waking up within me. I want to buy all these clothes because half of the clothes look so cute. Although maybe I will never wear it, but it feels like, oh, I will definitely wear it. It is so lovely and so nice and plus so cheap. Can you imagine?
I know Irina likes market shopping.
Yeah, and I like to bargain also. She said 300, but I can definitely bargain. At least 50 rupees she will give me discount.
So दोस्तों फाइनली हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ
I
पहुंच रहे
already
हैं.
see
You
it.
see? You're getting excited?
I see. Oh, now we will try momos. Very famous, and I hope they will be very tasty. I don't want to be disappointed with momos.
You will not be. I think it's
See,
very famous.
From 1994 they're here. Wow.
और जैसा कि आप क्राउड से
So
पहचान सकते हैं, I
many
think it's very
people.
famous.
Oh, I guess it's this side. You have to get it which side? This side, this side.
That side?
This, yes.
Okay.
Oh, wow. See? Alright, so let's check what momos do they have. Veg, of course, I will be trying veg momos, and they have also some. They have some fried momos or grilled, whatever.
Chicken Manchurian, chili dry, veg Manchurian, also momos.
Okay, so
And even the prices are not expensive.
friends, I am definitely going to eat steamed momos, my favorite ones, and then let's see maybe some grilled or fried. I want to try as many as I can. Gravy momos they also have. Can you imagine? Check below.
Gravy.
Yeah. Okay, so we will see right now. We will check something. We will order. Then we'll show you definitely what we are going to eat. Okay?
Okay. और यहाँ पे आपका सारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मोमोज का हो रहा है.
Friends, can you imagine? It's all made in front of your eyes. You do not need to think, oh, it's made somewhere underground or else. It's like all in front of you.
So everything is made fresh.
Yeah, so now it's time to eat momos.
So finally momos आ चुके हैं. Reena is very excited to try the momos. Are you excited?
Very excited, friends. They smell very tasty. And we got this one steamed half plate. So right now we will try how it is. Oh, this chutney is spicy.
It's too spicy.
Little bit. Let me try whole momos. To be honest, it's not just the cabbage filled. I do not know what ingredients they have put. See what is here? Cabbage, some spring onion. I do not know what, but it tastes so amazing, friends. Now I understand why people want to come here again and again. It's really amazingly tasty. You also try one?
So friends, मैंने अभी ट्राई करा डोलमा आंटी फेमस मोमोज. Really taste काफ़ी better. I have to compare with Wow Momos. I've tried Wow Momos. I didn't like the taste. Here the filling is different. I like it especially the chutney. Chutney is spicy. अगर आपको spicy पसंद है, then definitely you like the chutney. Very tasty. I love the West Street momos. And our other momos are still waiting, so let's see. So हमने यहाँ पे order करे हैं marinated chicken momos.
They say that this is their branded momos.
Yeah, they're special momos, so look so yummy.
And one more.
And they have chili momos.
Friends, they said it is like just veg Manchurian, so this is veg momos. Let me try this first.
Looks so yummy.
Yeah, very yummy and smells, wow. Friends, they have gravy with vegetables. See, they have carrots. They have spring onions or whatever things are there, onions as well. And let me try the momos.
Looking so yummy.
Oh, it smells really tasty. It's fried and plus it has a gravy in it.
What, do you like it? No words, huh? No words.
These momos are really tasty. They are not spicy at all. And the steam momos, the gravy is spicy, the chutney is spicy. These ones are not spicy, they're a little bit sweet and just a little bit mirchi over here, but they're very nice. Friends, you must try these momos for sure. Really tasty. And one more momos is chicken momos. They're telling this is their specialty. That is, if you will not find anywhere. Let me just cut it in half and to see how is it inside. Oh, a part of chicken, I guess they also have some cabbage in there and something else, maybe onions or else some. See, they also have some vegetables in it. Let me dip well. Friends, the gravy which they are giving in, oh wow, it's so creamy. I love it. You do not know that it is chicken inside because it is tastes like mixture. I cannot find out that it is just the chicken there. It's all mixed vegetables, gravies. On my taste, it's really nice and I love it so much. I'm really enjoying the momos today.
So friends, now मेरा time है try करने का, इरीना का अपना opinion है, so I'm giving my opinion now.
First is chili Manchurian momos.
Yeah, so Manchurian momos देखने में तो Manchurian जैसा ही लग रहा है. और they have put all this soya sauce, vinegar
First
and
you try it.
Manchurian.
No words,
So
only
let me
try.
try. It has that Manchurian, you know, Manchurian.
What up?
It's very hot, friends. To be honest, I thought कि मैं एक बार में पूरा खा जाऊँगा, but it's very hot. It 100% tastes like Manchurian. They have tried to, you know, put that recipe of Manchurian momos, but bhai worth है. You come, you try Manchurian. It's very tasty. I will recommend this momos. And they have another chicken marinated with their specialty. So let's see. Chicken they said is marinated and plus is fried. So let me try the gravy one.
Gravy. Oh, this one is spicy. I forgot to dip in the spicy. You dip it right now.
Okay. So I dipped in spicy chutney. So let me try.
How is it?
It's creamy. But here, to be honest, मुझे ना मोमोज थोड़े हॉट पसंद हैं. This is getting cold because they are putting all these creams and chutney. Taste wise feels like it's baked, but it's good. You can try. At least give it a try. But my preference is West Steam momos, and that chili one I like it so much. So finally we have tried the famous Dolma Aunty momos in Lajpat Nagar. We have tried their Manchurian, their marinated and steamed. So momo lover, how do you like it?
Overall, the experience is really nice. If you're coming here and you're really hungry, but you do not want to go to some restaurants and you lover of momos, I do advise you to try here momos for sure. If you want to just experiment with a different type of varieties of momos, you can try all of them and believe me, you will not get disappointed. But on my personal choice, even whenever I'm going anywhere to cafes, I always eat regular steam momos because steam momos are the best everywhere. And to be honest, in this place, their steam momos are awesome. If you want more spicy, you dip more in the chutney. If you do not like much spicy, you eat it as it is. But steam momos are awesome. I loved it so much. And I do advise you this place for sure. So the advertisement goes not just like this, but it is a proved fact that it is really wow, tasty momos. And what about you?
I also like the momos. Veg, the classic one is the best. And I like that Manchurian type momos. it tastes good because I like Manchurian. So
I prefer, to be honest, between Manchurian marinated more because they have nice creamy sauce there. The only thing that it's getting cold so fast. Otherwise, yes, momos are the best food for every day. I love it so much.
और यहाँ पे इनके पास सिर्फ मोमोज ही नहीं है, इनके पास चाइनीज़ और फूड भी अवेलेबल है, नूडल्स है, आपके चिली पोटैटोज, so you can try other things as well.
Yeah, but my target was to try the momos because momos Zindabad.
So it was worth it, right?
Yeah, it was worth it really.
डोलमांटे के जस्ट
सामने।
बगल में यहाँ गोलगप्पे वाला है, चाट वाला है, सो आप गोलगप्पे भी यहाँ ट्राई कर सकते हैं, लुकिंग टेस्टी, बट आई विल नॉट ट्राई, नॉट टुडे,
Okay.
माय स्टमक इज फुल विद मोमोज.
Okay. So, friends, see, it is so crowded. Like Corona gone from the market for sure.
एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी आपको जो वेंडर मिलेंगे से स्ट्रीट जो आपको बेचेंगे
हाँ।
मेकअप्स एंड ऑल.
No, here they have like street food is every time available here, so you will never be hungry. And they are selling so many different things over here.
यहाँ पे अगौर स्ट्रीट फूड है अंदर, बट सी मार्केट इज ओवर क्राउडेड.
Yeah, although it's Monday.
नो कोरोना, ऑल कोरोना गॉन.
It's like
सारा
really
ब्रांडेड
so-
मिलेगा 100 रुपए
100 रुपए jacket.
तो देख रहे हैं आप
Can
100
you
रुपए में
believe it?
ब्रांडेड.
100 रुपए branded jacket.
इरेना, you want to buy 100 रुपए ब्रांडेड जैकेट?
Oh, why not?
I wonder it's Zara or Jara.
It's Mara. Oh, again, my favorite corn. I love corn. Oh, maybe I will eat it today as well. Let's see.
So लाजपत नगर में खाने की कमी नहीं है, यहाँ पे हर थोड़ी दूरी पे
Oh,
you will
it
see
feels
fruits.
like it is again full of life. So beautiful. I love markets. I love them. Oh, see what they See? What do you think? Should I buy it for myself? How do I look?
If you like it, then why not?
And they have also this type for kids. See? Lovely. Oh, very nice things they are selling here. All for winter. You will not feel cold if you are wearing this type of hat.
और यहाँ पे बड़ी शॉप्स भी है if you want to buy some branded store.
Everything can be found here, but we are on the outskirts of the market. The main market is inside. On the camera that side.
So ये मेन मार्केट है, इनसाइड काफ़ी बड़ा मार्केट है, so आराम से 3-4 घंटे निकाल के आइए अगर आपको यहाँ पे शॉपिंग करनी है, बिकॉज
Yes.
वेरी बिग, और यहाँ पे चलना काफ़ी पड़ेगा.
Modern clothes, European clothes, all girls can find for themselves as well. All whatever you feel like.
और ये इंडियन बेक बिस्किट विच इज कॉल्ड नान खटाई.
Friends, see they are selling it just on this. Oh, they are cooking it just here. Check. Oh wow. Oh, what a process! I have never seen it like this. Can you imagine? See, it's made
मे
of
बी इट्स
fire.
कॉल्ड देसी तंदूर.
Wow, that's really interesting. I have never seen it in my life like this.
सो जैसे कि आजकल रात बहुत जल्दी हो जा रही है, सो लाजपत नगर मार्केट नाइट में देखिए कितना लाइट हो जाता है.
The Vapshia here, you do not even feel that it is night. You feel as if it is like daytime because see, everywhere is so light and so bright.
देखिए काफ़ी सारी लाइटें लगा रखी है, और
what do I
स्पेशली
see?
ग्लिटरी मास्क अवेलेबल. ग्लिटरी मास्क.
Friends, can you imagine? All colors, all designs, all different styles. Can you believe it?
इरेना, डू यू वांट ग्लिटरी मास्क?
Oh, I dreamt about it.
Like for festive
Lovely.
glittery mask.
Yeah, if you're wearing sari and going for wedding, how you can wear clothes mask? You have to wear shiny.
Nice.
Oh, check it out, friends. Republic Day, it's a flag, mask and the flag. Can you imagine?
So friends, आज मंडे है, so काफ़ी शॉप्स यहाँ पे क्लोज है इंटरनल, लेकिन जब बाहर की जो शॉप्स है आउटसाइड सिचुएटेड,
It's only like
It's
1-2
open.
shops are closed. All the rest, whole market is full of life and overcrowded.
ओवर क्राउड है भाई. कोरोना तो गो, बाय बाय.
But otherwise, really, I'm so happy that we finally came to Central Market to Lajpat. It's really nice and interesting and so colorful. I love markets.
स्पेशली लाजपत नगर मार्केट बहुत फेमस मार्केट है, सो यहाँ क्लोथ की शॉपिंग के लिए लोग काफ़ी आते हैं.
If you haven't been to Lajpat, then you can travel here. You can come here and buy whatever you feel like.
सो फाइनली हम लाजपत नगर का ब्लॉग यही ख़त्म करते हैं. हमने घूम भी लिया, खा भी लिया, और मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है, सो यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर अ लॉट.
Yeah, and I do advise you to come to Central Market to walk, to eat, and just to enjoy the feeling of the bazaars.
या सो अगर आपको आज का हमारा ये ब्लॉग पसंद आया हो तो ज़रूरी इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा और शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के
And
साथ.
don't forget to press the bell icon, friends, because sometimes notification is not reaching you, so you have to press ding ding.
Ding 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 ding. So till then,
See you soon.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.